Right, let's walk down here. Interesting tracks. I should have done this in the late fall. Here I'm trying out this homemade crimper roller. I think I need to add some more blades to it. This full of water. Broke the strap, I had to go get a chain. Yeah, I'm an amateur welder. I'm not that great. Plug. Went through here one time pulling it with the truck, scratching my truck up. Did break it up pretty good right here. Yeah, I don't want to go through here with my truck too much. The tractor broke down and the rear main seal went out in it. I'll have to split the tractor in two to get it fixed. I'll have to move it down here first. Crank it up, it just pours oil out of it. I'm working on a car carrier trailer to haul the tractor down here. This is bottom. Most of the topsoil washes down here. I've dug down about 12 inches, 10 or 12 inches, and it's just black soil. This is the run of the creek, bottom side of the pond, so it's pretty wet in here. Really needed to fix the tractor. Just a quick little video of homemade crimper roller. Just tearing stuff up. Don't forget to like and subscribe.